Hello guys, today we are learning about parrots. Parrots are birds but really intelligent. They come in all sizes, smallest, medium and biggest. And some of them can reach up to a full grown human. And some of them are smaller than our bottles, like budgies. Please, before doing and learning about this budgies video and other parrots video, please check out our all about budgies. Then look at this video. Budgies are smaller than our bottle because that is the creation of God. And God makes all of us. And the baby budgie is smaller than our pencil and the pencil is smaller than our bottle. Yeah, and the egg is smaller than a pencil too. A budgie's egg, I mean. Because they're already smaller than our bottle. Then the eggs will be more shorter than our bottle and our pencil. And next, the medium. The African grey parrot. I think I already said. African grey parrots are the size of our bottles because they are medium, And you guessed it. The African grey parrot gets its name because it comes from Africa and it is grey. And don't forget, it has a red tail at the back. But I'm not talking about the long tails you see in other parrots. It's having a short tail while the other body parts are bigger. I mean, the rest of the body parts are bigger. Next, you have been waiting for a long time. Your favorite, the giant parrot that can reach up to a full adult human. It's nothing than the other, the hyacinth macaw. Yes, you heard me. Hyacinth macaws are the size of adult humans. Medium parrots and small parrots are not the big as humans, but hyacinth macaws are. And we will save the heaviest for later. First we will do light, then heavy. That's all about hyacinth macaws. Now on to the lightest parrot. It's the budgie again. Budgies are light parrots. Budgies are light parrots and they come in all sizes too, but small still. Yeah, as I was talking, it is not bigger. It is not the size of a human. That's all about budgies. Next, you have been waiting for the heaviest parrot and the biggest parrot. We have already done. Now the heaviest parrot, some of your favorite, I think. The kakapo. The kakapo is so heavy you can not lift it up at all. It will take you 100,000 days to lift it. And if it is that heavy, you know what is going to happen. It's a flightless bird. And kakapos are intelligent, not intelligent as any normal parrot, intelligent than all the parrots in the world. And do you know there is a kaka parrot in real life? It is not a kakapo parrot's short form, it is real. It is another type of species. Alright, now we have question time. Alright, today we will ask 3 questions. First, where do kakapo parrots come from? You email or mail me the questions I told to you after the video. Alright, next question. Where do budgies come from? Alright, on to the next one. The last one. Where do kaka parrots come from? And what do they eat? If you know, please email or mail. Alright guys, now today's video ended. If you enjoyed today's video, please like and subscribe and hit the bell icon. Bye. We will see you later in the other videos.